ਸੋ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਯੂਥ ਟਰਾਂਸਫਾਰਮਿੰਗ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਹੋਏ ਦੋ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਅਮਨੀਤ ਅਟਵਾਲ ਅਤੇ ਹੇਲੀ ਵਿਜੇਵਰਧਨ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਦਾ ਆਯੋਜਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਜਿਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਕਾਰੀ ਦੇਣ ਲਈ ਅੱਜ ਸਟੂਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ। ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਹੀ ਮਹਿਮਾਨਾਂ ਦਾ। ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ।
Hello.
ਵੈਲਕਮ। ਸੋ ਅਮਨੀਤ, ਇਫ ਯੂ ਕੁਡ ਟੈਲ ਅਸ ਕਿ ਯੂਥ ਟਰਾਂਸਫਾਰਮਿੰਗ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੈਗੀ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕੀ ਤੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਮਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾਵੇ?
Youth Transforming Society ਅਸੀਂ ਅਸਲ 'ਚ ਚਾਰ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ। Myself, Amnia, Amanpur Atwal, Karen Mann, and Livleen Pannu. ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਰੇ best friends ਹਾਂ। ਸਾਰੇ mostly school together ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ। ਕੱਲੀ ਅਮਨਵੀਰ ਸੀਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਿਆਕੋਨ ਤੋਂ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ।
ਜੀ।
ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਰਾਂ ਨੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਸੋਚਣਾ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਕੁਛ ਜਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ community ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਥੋੜਾ ਕਿ affect and inspire ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
Okay.
And the way we started was by doing a ball drive. Our first ball drive was done in spring of our grade 9 year.
Okay.
And that's when we raised around $12,000. And from that onwards, our parents, as ਸਾਡੇ parents ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ, ਕੁਛ ਕਰੋ community ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ instead of sitting at home and wasting your time.
Right.
So ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰੇਕ spring break ਸਾਡਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ volunteer ਕਰਨਾ and we did a ball drive.
Right.
And from that way on, we came up with an organization name. I said, well, why not make a name out of what we do?
Right.
And get our name out and get people to know what we do and inspire our own youth. For
Okay.
example, Haley is here and she's inspired by us to
Right.
do work
Absolutely.
with us.
Okay.
And with that being said, we are, ever since then, we have done multiple events, and this is one of our major events that we are doing the first time. And yeah, that's mostly
So
it.
that's the basic inspiration how you
Yeah.
got started. Okay.
It was
wonderful.
mostly at school, but
Okay.
yeah.
So it's continued in the university
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Right. So
Definitely.
Haley, tell us a little bit like Amneet told us the idea, how it started. How did you get inspired to join this? What was something special in this particular organization that you got inspired with it?
Well, I feel that today's generation, they want to volunteer and they know that they need to volunteer.
Right.
But they're sort of trying to fill in their volunteering requirements for university or grad transitions by simply volunteering at small places that are not even applicable to the career path that they want to go on
Okay.
one day. But what YTS really promotes is opening up your opportunities and opening doors to so many different volunteering aspects that there are out there
Right.
that are actually applicable to what you want to do one day. Like, for example, there's people that want to become a police officer, but they're volunteering at a senior home.
Right.
Whereas YTS, one of the organizations coming there is Crime Prevention Society, which is totally beneficial for
Right.
someone that wants to go into that career path, right?
Okay, so as you said that the idea was to give back to the community and along with also get an opportunity ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲ ਸਕੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਕੀ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਜਦੋਂ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਅਮਨੀਤ ਇਹ ਦੱਸੋ ਕਿ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਹੋਗੇ ਤੇ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹੋਗੇ? ਵਾਈ ਇਜ਼ ਵੋਲੰਟੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਨੈਸੈਸਰੀ? ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਰਸ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਐਡਮਿਸ਼ਨਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੀ what kind of benefit do you get by doing volunteering?
Most kids, like you said, harek nyare nu karne ta pende 30 hours, right? That's like a must, it's
Right.
a given. But the benefit for students is there's so much. I was just telling Haley this because we were talking about this outside. Mainu dassya ve volunteering de vich jo main hun ithe ਵੇਖੀ ਹਾਂ, it's because of volunteering. The communication skills.
Right.
Being able to talk to you is a skill that I got from volunteering. Parents, the way they're benefited is having their child structured.
Right.
And being able to have their child to stand on their own feet. Yes, parents the 100% of the which involvement hona chahiye, because parents they did morals when they give their morals, that's one part, but the other part is what they get their child to volunteer in.
Right.
We have 45 organizations coming. Harek organization the different goal ya.
Right.
Like whatever this kid wants to get into, we have an organization guaranteed that they will like it.
Okay.
Right? So when it coming back to the question, students are benefited by basic skills. Parents are they're structured and given the fact that the child is going on the right path.
Right.
Right? We're avoiding, by volunteer, you're avoiding all the stuff that's out there in our community.
Absolutely, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਲੇ ਦੁਆਲੇ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਜੇਕਰ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਹੀ ਸਮਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ. Like Haley, you said that this function, Youth Transforming Society, the function which they're organizing, and it's going to be a great event where over 45 organizations are coming. And it's not necessary that every child has the same aptitude where they want to go and do the volunteer work in that same particular thing. But maybe that volunteer work is going to help them later on also.
Absolutely.
So could you elaborate on this and tell us that on October the 23rd, this function, where is it being held and what all can the people expect by being there?
Well, it will be held at Panorama Ridge Secondary School from 5 to 8 p.m.
Right.
And it can sort of be treated like a job fair. Like, this is an opportunity for you to go and see how many different from small to big organizations that are coming here.
Okay.
Like, I'm not trying to diminish small organizations, because there's something to be learned from every organization that is coming here, even if it's not applicable to your career path, because small ones are focused on building unity and growing and expanding.
Right. Okay.
And then the bigger ones are always the ones that they're structured, but they're kind of expanding within the community in different locations.
Right.
Whereas we're the smaller ones, right? And we're just trying to build to becoming that one united one first, and then we'll go into, you know, our community even further.
Right.
But yeah, that's where. Like,
so finally, as you said, okay, it's going to be a great opportunity for everyone, irrespective of what and where they want to volunteer. ਉੱਥੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ one stop ਇੱਕ solution ਮਿਲੇਗਾ. ਵੱਖਰੀ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਛੋਟੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਾਈਡ ਕਰਨਗੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਐਪਟੀਟਿਊਡ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਵਲੰਟੀਅਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਜੇਕਰ ਲੈਣੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਲਈ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ? ਕੋਈ ਫੋਨ ਨੰਬਰ ਜਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਜਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਈਮੇਲ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਅਖੀਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਆਉਣਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈਗਾ?
I definitely think Madu, the high school, they would see I was a Keener student, right? So I was telling Haley this. The smart way for high school students is, even the parents watching this, is that tell your your students, your children to go onto our website. It's called www.youthtransformingsociety.com.
Okay.
On this website, you will go onto our events page, and we have every single organization listed. And my opinion, or like what I would do, is I would actually get the student to highlight the ones that they want to look at.
Right.
And if they come across any one that they're attracted to, they should go check that out as well.
Right. So
that's a smart way of going. That way you have a goal.
Wonderful.
Absolutely.
So ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੈਬਸਾਈਟ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਕਰੀਨ ਤੇ ਦਿਖਾਈ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ.
Yes.
Thank you and best wishes.
Thank you.
Thank you.